Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create reveal text as we walk on VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project on VN. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and select new project and select video based, and then we can choose the video we want to edit. I'm going to choose this video and I'm going to add this video to my project. Okay guys, and then I'm going to add tags to this video. I'm going to click on the text, select text, and I'm going to choose heading. Okay, and then I'm going to type in text reveal. Oops, sorry. Okay, I'm going to click on the check mark and I'm going to place it right here. Okay, then I'm going to make this text align with my video. All right, and then I'm going to apply mask, select mask and choose the linear mask, and then I'm going to rotate it and place it like this. Okay, and to create the reveal as we walk, we can apply keyframe. I'm going to click on the keyframe, add keyframe to the start. Okay, and then we can reveal it like this. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks, and you can adjust it one by one like this guys. The keyframe is added automatically, as you can see. Okay, it's almost done. Alright, now it's done, and I'm going to show you the final result. I know that it's not perfect, but that's okay because this is just for an example. Okay, like this. I think I need to cut the text, and let's see what we have. Okay, it's better than before. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a reveal text as we walk editing using VN Video Editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!